Welcome to Aura Career Launcher, a coaching institute for HSLC and NEET Standard 11 and 12. We are introducing HSLC crash course for 6 weeks starting from 9th January 2021. We provide live interactive session with our well-experienced teachers, examination technique, past HSLC questions papers analysis, well-structured study materials exclusively for the upcoming HSLC exam 2021, also online test to help prepare for HSLC exam from the comfort of home.
Intricacies of life, bigi punsi the nainaraga iba adugumba wari oine tawi. Ayamba wari sing se magi human emotion haitare migi emotion human emotion that touch to hole. Ave harauba nungai tabada yang touch to hon adugumba wari ni. Aduna akoy nga si tamgadori ba diamond necklaces su sigumba magi elements sing se masidum yawbo thenagani. Ka diamond necklace, the title diamond necklace have a magi significance amusulay. Diamond ay di kayo yamna phazaba yamna tangba adumani ko sigi wari sida di arangba khoki phazaba khudingmak sanan latte habiga atradi kaino matamda akoina khanbana ama oibana ama sigi yumphamda iba adugumba wari ni the diamond necklace habsi adudi wari sigi ihan hanba saruk Matilda and her bewildering dream have a say masigi saruk se hana khangminarasi ko. So without wasting our time, let's get started. So how to see? The girl was one of those pretty and charming young creatures who sometimes are born as if by a slip of fate into a family of clerks. Yes, gidi mupashana ihan hana akoida introduce amakaktawi nipi amagi. Kay hari mana nipi asi masang mataw yamna phazaba yamna chinglemba yamna sumat ingai oiba magun yorba nupi se magi slip of fate haitadi magi marai bakna tamnamdabadagi habdi unlucky bad luck oiba haitare ko magi marai bakna tamamdabadagi yamna icham chamba sen yam thokchadaba clerk amagi imung amada pokhirame ka yengasi makha ano masak mataw phazaba taragasu ko sen yam pajadaba imung manung amada puobanina ko mana luhonga kanda magi aunpot ununabaki asa ju leiramde habni sida haise ko. Now she had no dowry, no expectation, no way of being known, understood, loved, married by any rich and distinguished man. Yung masak mataw phazagraba nupi asi magi marai bakna tamamdabadagi sen yam pajadaba icham chamba clerk amagi family gi imungda pokpuduna maram oiraga mana luhong kanda magi mama pana ko tambina ba habidi aunpot tambina atang ba aunpot tambigani habigi asa suleramde ko adagi no way of being known. Yes, mabu masak khangbi ba habidi ma mantri gi masanapi amani adagi ina kaira khulaba ko gi businessman afaw amagi masa amani haina khangbi gadabasu leiramde adubo understood adai mabu bhab tabi gadaba mabu khangbi gadaba magi feelings bu khangbi gadaba adusu leiramde. Love nungsibiba married by any rich and distinguished man. Yengo mabu nungsibiba ko ma masak mataw phazare haidana ina kaira khunba mi sing amasung distinguished haitadi samasida mi na masak khangnaba aduguma nupa singna mabu haina sinadana luhongba lakani habesigi asa su leiramde maramdi kaino maya chamchamba clerk ki family mudda pu na maram oiraga aduna so she let herself be married to a little clerk of the Ministry of Public Instruction. Aduna maram oiraga kadoge masu magi thong manaba ka Ministry of Public Instruction da thabak tawba khogi clerk macha ama macha ida mi macha du nate sida thabak macha ama tawba sen yamna thokchadaba adumba clerk amada ma se luhong khirame karigino luhongi se ma masak mataw ang phazai ko adubu ma family clerk amada ma pokhirami mana khogi mana luhong kanda magi mama pa na pasa paidana magi atang ba khogi dowry magi aunpot honbigin magi aunpot honbigani habse leiramde ko aduga ina kera khulaba amasung akhoi masak naireba nipa sing mabu haina singna lakani habis lete aduna maram waraga kadage magi mayumga magi family ga thong manaba nipa ama habidi Ministry of Public Instruction haidi kaino France government gi department amani ko khoina Ministry of Education ga leidana adugumba department amada thabak macha ama tawba clerk oiba nipa amada ma luhong khirame badu gyan dare ko yengasi aduna ngasai gi nupi si ma si clerk Senyam pajadaba clerk amada luhungu clerk nipa amada luhungu bada maram waraga kadoge matamda ma phajana magi dress plainly or simple or dress elami she dress plainly adi am simple oiba habati kaino mai nipa si clerk amani na kadoge matamda atang ba phiron thonba ngambi.
For more details, scan the QR code. You can visit our website www.auracareerlauncher.com for registration. Download our app Aura EduPad or contact us to our WhatsApp number 6009 063 622 or 6009 039 770. Well, we have started our registration, so what are you waiting for? Join now.